Hello, engineers. So let's solve this sample problem taken from REE board examination. So yung problem natin is the rotor of a 3-piece 60 Hz 4-pole induction motor takes 120 kilowatts at slip frequency of 3 Hz. So determine the rotor speed. So let's solve this problem using our conventional solution. So para ma-solve daw natin yung rotor speed ng isang induction motor, so yung gagamitin natin formula dito is N sub R is equal to 120 F divided by P times 1 minus S. Yung N sub R natin dito, ito yung ating rotor speed. Tapos yung F natin dito, ito yung ating stator frequency, or in other words, this is our given frequency. And then, yung P natin dito is the number of poles. And then S is the percent slip. Then, pangalawang gagamitin natin formula sa problem na to is the frequency slip is equal to the percent slip times the stator frequency or the given frequency. Okay? Let's use this formula first. Frequency slip is equal to percent slip times frequency. Tapos yung frequency slip natin is given na dito sa problem, which is at slip frequency of 3 Hz. So therefore, substitute natin dito 3 equal to percent slip natin times dun sa ating given frequency na 60 Hz. So 3 is equal to S times 60. So we have S is equal to 3 over 60, which is equal to 0.05. Then, since may value na tayo ng S, pwede na natin gamitin tong formula ni rotor speed. So, NR or N sub R is equal to 120 times the given frequency divided by the number of poles times 1 minus S. So, substitute natin. N sub R is equal to 120 times 60 divided by 4 times 1 minus percent slip natin na 0.05. So, ulitin lang natin. Yung frequency natin is 60 Hz. Yung P natin or the number of poles natin, pole natin is 4 pole. So, using your calculator, makukuha natin sagot dito is 120 times 60 divided by 4 times 1 minus 0.05, then equal natin, ang makukuha nating sagot dito is 1,710 RPM. So therefore, ito yung ating final answer. Okay? Let's solve the same problem using gamit naman ng ating Caltech solution. So gagamitin nating calculator dito is CARSI KISI S991. So ito yung gagamitin nating calculator. So first, enter daw natin yung mode 3 at saka 2. So mode 3, 2. Mode 3, 2. And then, magkakaroon tayo ng display na ganito. So, ito yung display natin. After that, yung i-input daw natin dun sa ating X and Y column is itong mga value na to. For X column, ilagay natin 0 at the first row and then 60 Hz at the second row. And for Y column naman is 120 over P. Then 120 over P. So for the first row of Y column is 0 and then for second row of the Y column is 120 divided by the number of poles. So we have 120 over 4 that is equal to 30 Hz. Okay, input natin ito sa ating calculator. So per X column first row 0. Second row 60. Then for Y column first row is 0. And then for second row is 120 divided by 4. So we have So, na-input na natin. Then after that, enter natin yung AC. So, enter AC. Then, input 60 minus 3 y hat times 60. So, yung 60 is our given frequency, yung 3 is our sleep frequency, and then multiplied by the given frequency. So, tandaan lang natin na yung y hat natin dito is shift 155. Okay, subukan natin sa ating calculator. So, enter EC, and then given frequency natin is 60 minus sleep frequency natin at 3 Hertz, and then y hat is shift 1, 5, and then 5. Then multiplied by the given frequency. After that, enter natin yung equal. Enter equal. So makukuha nating sagot dito is 1,710 RPM. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to, and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.